strawberry squishy cake. Red Play-Doh, pink Play-Doh, white Play-Doh. Pink, white, pink, white. Red, squishy strawberry cake. Pink layer, white layer, pink layer, white layer, pink layer, white layer, and red strawberries. Yum! Check out the toy we have today! I wonder what vehicles are hiding inside these garages. Let's see who's behind the yellow garage. It's a blue beetle. Check him out. Isn't he cool? His door's open. I bet he's super comfy to ride in. And he seems to be really fast too. Now let's see who's hiding behind the blue garage door. Wow! Now check him out. This guy is an orange Porsche, and he is super fast. His door's open as well, and I bet he's really comfortable to ride in as well. Let's see how fast he goes. He's pretty fast. Oops, I think we just took a little peek inside our green garage. Now let's see who it was. Any guesses? I think I know. It's a school bus. A mini yellow school bus. Here's his stop sign. It comes out when the kids want to cross the street. Isn't that neat? When the stop sign is out, all cars have to stop and obey the rules. Let's see how fast the school bus is. Whoa, he seems to be pretty fast too. Alright, on to our last garage. And this garage is red. I wonder who could be hiding inside. Wow! It's a police tow truck. Check him out. Here's his towing cable. And he can tow away cars that can't move or that need fixing. Here's the door. It also opens. So does this one. And this police tow truck is black and white. Here's his siren, and it goes wee 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 wee. Now let's see how fast he is. Whoa! He's pretty fast. Yep. Very fast. He's gonna catch the bad guys real quick. Now let's put you back in your garage. The red garage. Now we'll put the school bus back in his green garage. Followed by the Porsche inside the blue garage. And the Beetle inside the yellow garage. Well, that was fun. Who's ready for some fruits and vegetables? Let's see what we have. Here is a purple eggplant. Let's first peel it. And now we can cut it up. Purple eggplant. Here we have an orange carrot. Let's peel the carrot. I love carrots. They're super crunchy and sweet. Orange carrot. Here is a yellow lemon. Lemons are sour and they taste super delicious in a lemonade. Yum! Super refreshing. Yellow lemon. Here is a green watermelon. When we cut open the watermelon, it's red inside. Yum! Watermelons are super juicy and super sweet. One of my favorite fruits. Yum! Green watermelon. Here we have a beige onion. Onions are super tasty in soups and many other meals. Beige onion. Here's a red apple. Apples are sweet and crunchy. Let's peel it. And now we can cut it. Red apple. Here is a yellow banana. Yum! Let's cut the banana. Bananas taste really good in smoothies, but they're also very yummy as snacks by themselves. Yellow banana. Here's a green pear. Let's peel it. Pears are super juicy and crunchy as well. We're ready to cut it. Yum! Pink peach. I love peaches. They're super juicy and sweet. Pink peach. Green cucumber. Green cucumbers taste super delicious in a salad. They are crunchy and yummy. Green cucumber. Here's a red tomato. Tomatoes are juicy and taste delicious in a refreshing summer salad. Yum! What's your favorite fruits and vegetables? I like them all. Here comes the garbage truck. It looks like he's here to collect the garbage. Garbage from the orange trash can, pink trash can, and blue trash can. He's all ready for dumping. Let's see what's in the blue trash can. It's a Minion mini surprise. Let's see what's inside. That's trash. This is trash. This is trash. And this is a toy. We get to keep this. We can also dump this in the trash too. Whoops, there go our garbage cans. Now let's see what's in the pink trash can. It's a Mash'ems Fash'ems, Spider-Man, and Marvel superheroes. This is our squishy toy. Super stretchy and super squishy. But the rest, we can throw in the trash. Now let's see what's in the orange trash can. It's a Cars Fash'ems Mash'ems. We can keep the toy, the squishy stretchy toy, and throw everything else in the trash. And it looks like our garbage truck is full. Yep, it's so full we can't even close the doors. Well, thank you, garbage truck, for collecting all the trash. See you next time. Bye-bye. Check out all the squishy balls. Let's count them and see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 squishy balls. That's a lot of squishy balls. Here's the red one. Here's the purple one. Now it's yellow. And now it's pink. Green. Red. Blue. Yellow. Blue. Green. Green. Blue. Red. Purple. Yellow. Pink. Blue. Green. Green. Blue. Purple. Blue. Pink. Green. Lots and lots of colorful color changing squishies.